Everyone, I welcome you all for the video lecture in Python programming language. Let's discuss the topic Python and its application at the present and the future, how the applications are needed for the present day technology, and how Python being a source of language for developing applications are necessarily important for the present generation as well as for the future. Python stands as a top programming language in 2025 according to TIOBE statistics, and its versatility makes it a favorite among tech giants like Netflix, IBM, Moderna, Spotify, and Instagram. Python's ease of learning and vast community support ensure its continued dominance. Why Python is essential today? It simplifies complex tasks, making code easy to write and understand. Its rapid growth, it is the fastest growing language for AI, data science, and web development. Over 150,000 Python job postings in the US alone for 2025. It is highly demandable. And it is open source, meaning it is free and open source, fostering innovation and widespread education. Key present day applications of Python are AI and machine learning, web development, automation and scripting, and cybersecurity. In AI and machine learning, it empowers frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch or advanced models. In web development, it builds robust web applications with the Django and Flask. In automation and scripting, it is streamlining tasks from DevOps to everyday operations. In cybersecurity, it is developing tools for threat detection and penetration testing. Python's rich ecosystem of libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit, Learn, and Keras makes it the preferred language for AI and ML. It enables building sophisticated chatbots and computer vision systems. It facilitates development of accurate predictive models. It simplifies data preparation, feature engineering, and model deployment. It drives innovation across healthcare, finance, and entertainment. Popular Python tools and build systems in 2025. The Python ecosystem offers robust tools that simplify development workflows. Tools, containerization, textual, Python future, and build tools, setup tools, distributed tool utilities, and TOX are essential for automating package management and testing. In containerization, Docker is the leading choice preferred by 70% of Python developers for consistent environments. In textual and innovative framework for creating interactive terminal and web applications using Python. Python feature a crucial compatibility layer for bridging Python 2 and 3 legacy code bases. Python's role in meeting present day needs. By 70%, it is reducing in development time, accelerating project delivery comparatively with the other programming languages. By 85% in improvement in data driven decision making across industries. By 90% in increasing its operational efficiency through intelligent automation. By 95%, it enhances in the cybersecurity resilience against emerging threats. Its future applications are AI in healthcare, environmental solutions, advanced robotics, education, technology. It revolutionizing it is revolutionizing in diagnostics, personalized medicine and drug discovery with AI driven insights. It is automating climate modeling and environmental monitoring to combat climate change. In robotics, it is powering autonomous systems and robotics for safer and more efficient industrial applications. In education technology, it is developing accessible coding and learning platforms, making education more inclusive. Conclusion, we have Python's simplicity and power continue to drive innovation across diverse fields, promising a robust future. It is growing, its growing ecosystem endures relevance for decades ahead, adapting to new technological demands. Mastering Python tools unlocks vast opportunities in today's job market and beyond. More than just a language, Python serves as a catalyst for human progress, empowering creators and problem solvers globally. Finally, I thank you all for listening to this video and let us discuss another topic in the next video. Thank you all.